Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Motorola Edge 70 and the Google Pixel 10 Pro. Today, we're diving into their stunning displays, powerhouse chipsets, camera tech, and battery life. Can the Edge 70's massive 6.7-inch POLED with 4,500 nits peak brightness outshine the Pixel 10 Pro's LTPO OLED and adaptive refresh rate? Will Google's Tensor G5 chip with its blazing Cortex-X4 core outperform the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 in the Edge 70? And when it comes to photography, does the Pixel's periscope telephoto zoom and 8K video trump Motorola's versatile dual cameras? Plus, how do their AI features and durability stack up? Stick around, because by the end, we'll ask, is the Pixel 10 Pro really worth the premium over the sleek and speedy Edge 70? The Motorola Edge 70 boasts a larger 6.7-inch POLED display with an impressive peak brightness of 4,500 nits, making it ideal for outdoor visibility and HDR10+ content. In contrast, the Pixel 10 Pro's 6.3-inch LTPO OLED offers an adaptive refresh rate that smoothly shifts between 60 and 120 Hz, enhancing battery efficiency without sacrificing fluidity. The Edge's higher brightness is a standout for those who prioritize vivid outdoor viewing, while the Pixel's adaptive tech caters to smarter power use. Under the hood, the Pixel 10 Pro's Google Tensor G5 chipset shines with a cutting-edge 3nm process and a powerful octa-core CPU featuring a 3.78 GHz Cortex-X4 core, delivering top-tier performance and efficiency. Meanwhile, the Edge 70 runs on the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 at 4 nanometers with a balanced octa-core setup. The Pixel's more advanced CPU architecture gives it the edge in speed and multitasking prowess. Motorola's Edge 70 impresses with AI-powered battery optimization, a razor-thin 6mm profile, and rapid 68-watt wired charging for quick top-ups. On the flip side, the Pixel 10 Pro packs Titan M2 security, ultra-wideband support, and satellite SOS service, elevating security and connectivity. Motorola focuses on sleek design and power management, while Google emphasizes advanced security and emergency features. The Pixel 10 Pro leads with a versatile triple-camera setup, including a 48MP periscope telephoto lens offering 5x optical zoom and 8K video recording, perfect for detailed distant shots and ultra-high-resolution video. The Edge 70 sports a solid dual 50MP camera system with OIS and 4K video capabilities, but lacks the Pixel's zoom range and ultra-high video resolution. For photography enthusiasts craving zoom and video quality, the Pixel stands out. Motorola's Edge 70 features AI auto scene detection and night vision mode, enhancing everyday shooting with smart adjustments and low-light performance. Google's Pixel 10 Pro ups the ante with multi-zone laser AF, pixel shift for detail, and intelligent object removal, combined with Magic Q and conversational photo editing for creative control. Pixel's advanced AI-driven camera features offer a more refined photography experience. Both phones have comparable battery capacities, with the Edge 70 at 4,800 mAh and the Pixel 10 Pro slightly higher at 4,870 mAh. However, Motorola's AI-powered battery optimization and faster 68-watt charging give it a practical edge for users prioritizing quick recharge times and smarter power use. The Pixel 10 Pro features premium Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both front and back with an aluminum frame, delivering a more durable and luxurious feel. The Edge 70 combines Gorilla Glass 7i front with a plastic back and frame, making it lighter but less premium. For those valuing build quality and materials, the Pixel's glass and metal construction is superior. Both devices offer IP68 water and dust resistance, but the Edge 70 adds Milstead 810H compliance and IP69 rating, meaning it can handle high-pressure water jets and tougher environmental conditions, making it the more rugged choice for extreme durability. The Pixel 10 Pro offers a wider range of configurations up to 1 TB storage with 16 GB RAM, catering to power users and multitaskers. The Edge 70, maxes out at 512 gigabytes with 12 gigabyte RAM, which is still ample but less expansive. For those needing massive storage and memory, the Pixel is the clear winner. The Motorola Edge 70 comes in slightly cheaper at around $900 plus, while the Pixel 10 Pro starts at $999, reflecting its premium materials, advanced chipset, and camera features. The question is whether the Pixel's extras justify the higher price tag for you.